I'm about to show you an inexpensive way to upgrade the unboxing experience for your clothing brand. I see way too many brands that hype up drops, finally release their clothes, take forever to ship them, and then finally when the clothes arrive, the garment is wrinkled or comes in a crappy bag. So I figured out the solution, and I'm literally about to just hand it to you, so there's no more excuse, bro. Upgrade the unboxing experience for your customers. Give them something that they'll look forward to opening. And don't disrespect them by sending them a wrinkled garment in an ugly bag. When I first got in touch with my supplier for packaging, they gave me a huge list of options, and I quickly became overwhelmed, as I'm sure happens to most small brand owners. I've simplified this process and order custom poly mailers, custom frosted zipper bags, custom tissue paper, custom hang tags, and custom stickers. Here is the design for the hang tag and care label. It's double-sided with the brand logo on one side. On the other side, there is a snippet from the brand story, the emblem, where the company is located, and the website, as well as care instructions. The care label is very similar. One side features the logo, and the other side features the materials, country of origin, and care details. For stickers, very simple, 2 colors, just black and white, featuring the brand logo. Next is the frosted zipper bag, which looks like this. See how it's not quite clear, it's a little foggy. That's where the term frosted comes from. Feels a little higher quality to me than just a clear garment bag. Next is custom tissue paper. So for this, it's very simple. I just print the emblem for the brand. You could use the logo if you don't have an emblem, diagonally across the tissue paper like this. I use an acid-free tissue paper, and I just pick a stock neutral color, like a dark gray. Then for the outer protective shell, I use a matte black poly mailer. This is just the stock matte black poly mailer that my supplier offers. I don't customize the outer poly mailer for a few reasons. 1, it's more expensive. 2, it increases the chance of a package getting stolen if there are big flashy logos and custom fonts. I like to keep it very discreet. When the customer opens this black poly mailer, they then see a package wrapped in tissue paper. When they open the tissue paper, they see a garment in a frosted zipper bag. When they open the frosted zipper bag, they see the full garment with the hang tag and care label attached, as well as stickers. Here's the information about my supplier as well as the total costs. My packaging supplier is Yoko. They are based in China, and I found them through pietrastudio.com. I use Pietra for everything 3PL related. I store my inventory in a warehouse through Pietra, and I also found my packaging supplier through Pietra. Whenever I place an order from Yoko, they send the bulk order of packaging directly to the warehouse that stores my inventory, and then Pietra is linked to my Shopify, so anytime someone places an order on my website, someone will combine the inventory with the packaging and then ship it. Here are the total costs. This says custom poly mailer, but I ended up actually going with the default stock poly mailer, but they left the word custom in the invoice. Just ignore that for now. The minimum order quantity for all of these is 500 pieces, which is fine with me because that will give me enough inventory of packaging for a restock. One batch of 500 poly mailers costs $210. For 500 custom frosted zipper bags, it costs $285. 500 pieces of custom tissue paper, $130. 500 custom stickers, $65. 500 custom hang tags, $95. I got free shipping, added $23.50 for shipping insurance, which came out to a total of $808.55, or $1.62 per package for 500 packages. Once my packaging is in transit to the warehouse, I will then send the packing instructions to Pietra. I will also send them my favorite cologne. The reason why I send them the cologne is because every time an order is packed and shipped, I have the person packing the order spray the hang tag and care label with this specific scent. This activates the smell sense and is also known as olfactory marketing. By engaging the touch, sight, and smell senses simultaneously during the unboxing experience, the brand becomes very memorable. The garments are protected by the poly mailer and zipper bags. The tissue wrap creates a discovery experience where the customer unravels the garment in anticipation of what they're going to see, kind of like on Christmas morning, making the experience more exciting. The hang tag and stickers create brand presence, and as long as the colors and typography are consistent, it will look very professional. These are the packing instructions that I give to Pietra. Prepare the garment by attaching the hang tag, spraying the hang tag with cologne, placing the garment in the frosted zipper bag, and then sealing the bag. After that, the bag is wrapped in tissue and sealed with the sticker. Then for the final packaging, the fully wrapped garment is placed into the protective poly mailer and the shipping label is added. Then it's ready to be sent to the customer. I highly recommend that you just copy this strategy. This is going to be the most cost-effective way to upgrade your unboxing experience so it's competitive with premium brands without having to spend a ton of money. If you want access to this document you're currently looking at, as well as all of my other whiteboards, PDFs, slides, custom GPTs, AI prompts, and more, link in the description. If there's a topic you'd like me to cover in a future video, please leave a comment and I'll see you in the next one.